Hi guys, I just wanted to quickly make a video to say thank you so much for watching my videos and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't, please click the subscribe button below. I just wanted to make a quick video today to tell you that there will be quite a delay for new videos starting today. I have a lot of things going on in my life right now. Nothing crazy, nothing tragic happened, thank God, which I'm thankful for. My life just took a 180, and so now I have a lot to deal with. So I need to take some time off of YouTube to really have some more time for me to take care of whatever that's going on right now in my life. Just a small information that I can give right now is that I have to move out this apartment in a month and a half, so I'm really stressed out with finding a new place. And I don't know if you guys know this, but I have 2 closets, and I just don't know where I can store my clothes when I move to another place, because this apartment is literally perfect, right? This apartment comes with a big bedroom with 2 closets, and it was perfect for me because, first of all, because it's very spacious, so I was able to put 2 racks of clothes in my room, and they look really cute in my room and not like the messy type of clothing racks. And second of all, the 2 closets are actually walked-in closets, so I was able to really keep all my clothes in place. But now that I'm looking for a new apartment, it comes with a lot of issues here because I've been so comfortable with living here that I started to utilize my closets. So now if I move out, I have to really find a place that I can store all of my clothes, which is another problem. And then not only that, but I have a lot of live updates that I want to share with you guys. Like I said, it's nothing crazy, but also there are a lot of big changes in my life right now that I really can't share yet until I'm ready to do so. I'm going to film some videos here and there, but I'm not gonna be uploading for a while. So please be patient with me and don't unsubscribe, because I will come back eventually. I really care about my YouTube channel. That's why I make this separate video, just to keep you guys posted. Oh, by the way, I'm actually filming this video a day before, but when you are watching this video, which is tomorrow, June 8th, today is actually my birthday. So June 8th is my birthday. I uploaded my first video on this YouTube channel also on June 8th. It's just so crazy how I've been on YouTube for like a year already, and I was able to upload a video every single week for a year straight. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. But I'm glad that things are changing in my life. That makes my life more interesting, I guess, even though I really have to really push myself to get used to what's gonna happen to me in the next few months. But I just wanted to quickly check in to let you guys know what's going on right now, and I'm gonna take a quick break and I'll be back. So like I said, please don't unsubscribe to my channel. I just wanted to quickly check in to say thank you so much for supporting me, and thank you for watching my videos. And I will be active on my Instagram account, and it is at very.snatch. So if you guys want to keep in touch with me, please do so. So like I said, I'll continue filming whatever I'm gonna be doing for the next few weeks, and then I will put together a video in the future. So I'm not gonna upload anything for a bit, just because I need to take some time off to focus on what the hell is going on right now in my life. But other than that, as per usual, thank you so much for watching my video. Please follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. I will definitely follow you back. Other than that, I will see you guys in a short amount of time. So really soon. I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? Bye.